That slimy looking deposit on the bottom of my kettle is limescale. Limescale is a mixture of calcium carbonate and magnesium, which is left behind when hard water is boiled and evaporates. You can buy descaling agents, but these contain various chemicals. Vinegar will also remove limescale deposits, but will leave behind a lingering smell. Who wants pickled tea? Citric acid is a great alternative. It's food safe and has no odour. Citric acid is naturally occurring in citrus fruits such as lemons, limes and oranges. It's used in making sweets. It's what gives those tangy gummies the sour flavour. It's also used in making bath bombs, which is why I bought this. It fizzes when in contact with water. Just recently, Elbow Grease, a popular cleaning brand here in the UK, has started to market citric acid as a cleaning agent, and it's now available in supermarkets. To descale the kettle, fill with water and add 2 tablespoons of citric acid and boil. That's it. As soon as the bubbles clear, you can see the limescale's gone. Pour the water into a jug. It's too good to waste. Just rinse out the kettle thoroughly and you're good to go. Pour some of the mixture in a heat-proof jug and microwave on full for 3 minutes. When it's done, wipe out the microwave with a microfiber cloth to easily clean off any grease or splashed foods. Soak your shower head in the solution. This will dissolve any mineral build-up within the head. Take a spray bottle. Add a drop of washing up liquid, dish soap for our American friends, and top up with the solution. And don't forget to add a label. The resulting mixture makes a great bathroom cleaner. Not only is citric acid great on limescale and hard water deposits, it's also great at removing soap scum and has disinfectant properties. It has a million uses, from cleaning and sanitising your chopping board to use as a dishwasher or washing machine cleaner. Just add a cup of citric acid into your machine and run on an empty cycle. A word of warning. Citric acid should not be used on natural stone surfaces as it's corrosive to them, so keep it away from your granite worktops and your travertine bathroom tiles. While citric acid occurs naturally in citrus fruits, commercially available citric acid is processed from a type of black mould, and people with black mould allergies may have a reaction. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please give it a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of all my future uploads. Thanks for watching.